Welcome to Well Explained. We were doing exercise 13.3 surface area and volumes. Question number 3. Curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeters square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. We have to find number 1 radius of the base and number 2 total surface area of the cone. Okay, number 1 is what is given? CSA. CSA is equal to 308 centimeters square and length is given 14 centimeter. We know CSA of a cone is given by the formula pi r L. Substituting the values, 308 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r into 14. 7 2s are 14. Now 308 upon 22 into 2 is equal to r. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 4, 11 2s are and 2 7s are. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. Now coming to TSA of cone. It is equal to pi r L plus r, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 14 plus 7, which is equal to 22 into 21 is equal to 462 centimeter square. This is the answer. These two. Okay. Now question number 4. A conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Now find number 1 slant height, of the tent, and number 2 is the cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Now here r is equal to 24 meter and h is equal to 10 meter. What we have to find out is the slant height, that is L हमें निकालना है. Okay, it is a right circular cone, that is this is H R L. This is a right angle triangle. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem here, and according to Pythagoras theorem, L square is equal to H square plus R square, which is equal to 24 square plus 10 square which is equal to 576 plus 100 is equal to 676. L square is equal to 676. L is equal to under root 676, which is equal to 26 meter. This is the answer for the first part. Now second part. Canvas required to make the conical tent is equal to curved surface area of the cone, which is given by pi r L, that is 22/7 into 24 into 26. This is the canvas required. Okay. Now cost of the canvas required. We know rate of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 70. So total cost of canvas is equal to 22/7 into 24 into 26 into 70. That will be equal to rupees 1,37,280. This is the answer of the second part. Clear to all of you? Now coming to question number 5. What length of tarpaulin (3 meter wide) will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter. Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. Okay, and here it is given pi is equal to 3.14. If we have been given this value of pi, अगर pi की वैल्यू दी है तो हमें वही यूज करनी है, जैसे यहाँ पर 3.14 दी है. अगर नहीं गिवन होती है तो we use 22/7. Now height of the cone is given 8 meter and radius is given 6 meter. So first of all we will find out the L. So L square is equal to h square plus r square, which is L square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square. L square is equal to 64 plus 36 and L square is equal to 100. This implies L is equal to under root 100, which is equal to 10 meter. Okay. Now surface area of the cone. Surface area of the cone formula is pi r L, which is equal to 3.14 into 6 into 10. This will be equal to 188.4 meter square. The length as the tarpaulin is 3 meter wide. The length of tarpaulin required will be of width 3 meter. It will be equal to 188.4 upon 3, which is equal to 62.8 meter. Okay. Now it is given that wastage in cutting is cutting and stitching is equal to 20 centimeter. So as this is in meter and this is in centimeter, we will convert it into meters, and then total length of tarpaulin will be equal to 62.8 plus 0.2 meter, which is equal to 63 meters. This is the answer for this question. Okay students, hope you all have understood.